Hey guys, welcome back to the curly hair subscription. Rachel here. I'm gonna just do literally the quickest little trim ever. As you guys saw my Instagram stories earlier, I had like a few that I had already done and I was like, oh wait, let me stop and show everybody how I do this. So it's a very simple technique, and literally all you have to do is put your head to the side, and this is just for a trim, not an actual cut, and you want to have that rounded shape. So you can kind of see where my hair is like not rounded here because I had already started, so I haven't finished it yet. But you can kind of see there. So you just want to lean your head to the side, and then the same thing with the other side. So you lean it over, and you want to make sure that all this is even. You can see like how this is already grown out, so I need to trim these, and I'm going to be trimming it down. So I'm going to be trimming on both sides probably about 1 inch, give or take. I'm going to try to do this look instead of doing the one that I usually do, which is like to the side. I don't actually know which one I like better, but either way it'll trim my bangs, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm nervous, but the good thing is that curls are really forgiving, so here goes nothing. Alright, all done. This is my finished result. It actually wasn't that hard at all. I think the key was honestly just putting your head to the side, making sure it's even there, and then everything else actually was really easy. So much weight off of it. It feels good because I was growing my hair out. So when I started with the company that I'm with now with their hair products, I started in June, and my hair started rapidly growing, but from the roots, obviously, because that's where it grows, not from here. So all of my thin ends that had like been so thin for so long from using the other products that I was using were making my hair like longer, or my hair was longer overall from the products that I'm using now, but my hair was still thin on the bottom and thick on the top. So I was dying to cut it off. I was just waiting to grow enough. So this is what it looks like. I'm really excited. I think it looks really good. You guys tell me what you think. All right, so that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you are not already following me on Instagram, please do, so I can have more videos like this. If you have any more suggestions or something that you would like me to see or like to see me do, please feel free to reach out. And I can't wait to hear from you guys. Bye!